by the First Amendment. It also prohibits the government from abridging our freedom of speech, which is a broad right. And you have various legal precedents coming out of the Supreme Court that supports the freedom of speech body of law that really gives Americans a wide berth of what can be said and still be protected under the freedom of speech. And of course, there are limits to freedom of speech. There are limitations to it dependent on whether it incites danger or incites violence. It depends on the imminence of the violence and the intention of the person, and the person knowing that this type of incitement would cause that type of a dangerous, harmful situation. That's the Brandenburg test by the Supreme Court that talks about your freedom of speech limitations. It's not one of the things that we learn about all of our rights is that they are not unfettered right. There are limitations. Like in the freedom of speech, you can't go anywhere and start yelling and speaking without being removed. And the reason why authorities have the right to remove is because there's such a doctrine known as the time, place, manner doctrine. The time, place, manner doctrine says that the government can designate the time, place, and manner in which you express your freedom of speech in any area that is a public property, yet you don't have the proper permit to be able to protest. So that has grown over time to be able to provide certain guardrails so the government can, in some instances, for the sake of maintenance of peace and for law and order,